Hey, what is up guys, Adib here. Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can get Android piece of volume panel on any Android device, that too without root. With that being said, let's get right in.
Homies mad cause I'm chillin' with you too much. I'm drinking
Alright guys, so first of all go in the Play Store and search for this app called as Volume P. It is a completely free app. It also has a pro version, but I would recommend go with the free version. No need to buy the pro version. So install it up, open it up, and now give it all the permissions. Now it is important to give it all the permissions, so go ahead and grant all the permissions that it asks. So it literally wants for 4 permissions, so just give it all the permissions. And you can also bring it to the left. Now for that you'll actually have to turn off and on the accessibility settings. So yeah, if you want you can actually bring it on the left if your volume buttons are on the left. So yeah, it looks exactly like the Android P's volume panel as you can see, and it is working just fine on my Galaxy S8 running audio, and it isn't rooted, so it works just fine. And this is how this one looks, and it also has a button aligned with the volume panel. You can use that button to go to the vibration mode or go to the do not disturb mode. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I'll try to link the app in the description. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video. We are really close to 2000 subscribers, so go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon.